What's up guys, welcome back to drawing. I've got another suggestion, a scene down there. This is an any percent speed run for a book, which means I'm going to have to draw a book quickly. So the requirements to this one, I've got my little timer now, just to, you know, make this official. The requirements is that it's got to have a front, a back, and pages. Now it doesn't really matter how, it just has to have them all. So I'm going to start now, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, so we're going really quick, and then we have the back bit, and then pages. Okay, stop the clock. I think that's done. Now, color, this is an any percent of course, so there's no color or anything, but yeah, that's my book. Got a good time down there. And yeah, thank you for watching. I expect more suggestions or whatever, or not. I'll just draw my own random stuff again. And that's that.